Hey traders, how's it going? Hopefully you guys are having a great day today. There was a lot of opportunity in these markets. Welcome back to everyone from the long Easter weekend. Hopefully you are all rested and ready for the great week of opportunity ahead. These markets are just crazy volatile. There's a lot of going on, a lot of opportunity. So we wanted to go through it and go over a little bit of what we did today, some of the analysis on the day. Over the weekend, there was a lot of headlines coming out. Also, there was a Apex funded great sale over the weekend, so we thought we would run a sale alongside them for our services, which was great to bring new members in, as well as provide the combination of a very powerful system as well as a funded program for those of you looking to get into trading. Apex, Top Step, Lilu, those are all great platforms to get started in your trading career, especially if you have a service like ours that provides scripts, algorithms, day to day analysis, and planning. Combining the two together really makes for all the keys to success that you need. We offer the J9 scripts, we offer cycles, we offer automated trading bots, we offer the day to day analysis. So let's go ahead without further ado and keep going into today's analysis and see how today went for ourselves and some of our members. There's a lot to unpack today, so let's go through it little by little. Here we go. All right, go ahead and pull up the analysis here. So this was today starting in the day. We had a meeting this morning, so we were a little bit late. So 7:34 a.m. Mountain Standard Time was when this was posted, which doesn't matter because we typically don't trade out of the open anyways. Not our style. So what we have today is SPY range today, 4/18/2022. Says, good morning traders. Oh, excuse me. I had the yawn there. So good morning, traders. After a nice long extended weekend, we hope you all had a great Easter with your families. Now, time to get back at it and find opportunity lurking right around the corner. So, notice all the key words that we put here. This is for a reason. Lurking right around the corner. We had SPY futures gap down, which, if you were following the videos last week and or in the group and saw the analysis, we were expecting a gap down to where? After we lost at 44309, we were expecting a shakeout gap down to 435.71. So if you were following the videos, following the analysis, following these posts that we put each and every day, either in the Twitter, here, YouTube, TikTok, anywhere, you can see what we are doing. Or if you want to go ahead and join in the community, we will currently be running a 7-day free trial or 7 days trial. My apologies. 7-day trial. Get you guys in, have a look at what we have to offer, and see if it's for you. So onto the full SPY bull range today. SPY range today is 437.71 to 437.71. Oh, just notice that was the same. That's supposed to be 435.71 to 437.13. SPY bulls, we're looking for to stay above 435.71. And this will come in the form of simply running away. Notice right there, running away from 435.71. Nice and early on the day. SPY bulls closing two 15-minute candles above 437.87 opens the door for a test of 439.76. SPY bulls closing a 60-minute candle above 439.76 opens the door for a test of the top of the zone of where? 441.21. We're currently open in the market. We are not there yet. It looks like we might just get it before the end of the day. We'll see. Or via a gap up in the overnight session. We shall see. But let's go ahead and pull up the chart and see what we have. Oh, wrong chart. There we go. There we go. So here's a SPY. Let's go ahead and pull this up. What we have out of the open. Immediately out of the open. Let's go ahead and put today's activity. So the right of the vertical here is today's activity. So disregard all that for now. First 15-minute close above where? 437.87. Came up a hard push all the way out to where? 439.76. Didn't quite get there, didn't quite print. Second test. Here, this is key. Remember, we needed two 15-minute closes above, right? Second test did not close above. So we went ahead and posted in the chat room that that was all the signal we needed for the short, and that we would begin to look for a short if we failed 437.13, which we did here later on in the day. But continuing on with the analysis, came down, tested, you get your normal type of pop-up. It's just volatility up and down. You get the retrace, still no print of 439.76. That tells us they're going to go in for some liquidity. Liquidity meaning to chew up traders who are looking for a fail. What we have here, nice downturn to where, if you've been following us for the past few days, this is the number we've been discussing, 435.71. We came down here, came close, we're waiting. As soon as we got this print, came close, we got the print, and we saw that it was starting to hold, started to see a lot of block orders coming in, started to take a look at the analysis on our EMini chart. We'll pull that up next so you guys can see. And we started to load in real heavy here, just buying on every dip that we possibly could. This is a 15-minute chart, so let's go ahead and pull up the EMini chart, which is what we trade. Here's the EMini chart. You can see our J9 indicator here, right where we have the strong buy. That is right where that E or SPY is of 435.71. That is what we have here. We had our first initial signal here, this yellow bar. See? So even notice out of the open. So this is the opening big push. What does that tell you here? There's a short opportunity. We did not catch that short. We were still talking to members, dealing with customer service stuff. So we missed that short here. But what we have, as soon as we break the level, you get the first yellow bar. This is like a preparation. Like get ready for a signal coming in. So this was at 9:42. So it's 11:42 in the morning. We wait. Second signal comes in. Here is your strong buy. Right here, we start to load up. Just buying. Now, notice what we have here. This is real important. So this is the RSI, custom RSI that we have for our members. Notice what we have here. We were discussing this. This is actually a topic of discussion that came in early in the day. We have the first cycle, right? But notice what we have here. A secondary, right? It all started back here, and it never went to completion of a cycle, meaning never turned green. So you see the red, you see the greens. So this tells us this is a false pop liquidity. We're going to come down. So what do we have here? Here's that orange bar. Here's the two arrows. This is a shorting signal. Again, we missed that short, unfortunately. That was a great trade there. But once we have that going in, okay, then we wait for the green to come in. Here is the green. Right here where? Right when the J9 indicator came in, telling us that the long was getting prepared. So right here is where the calculations will start, and was the J9 indicator will start running a mathematical calculation and cycle indication based on the previous 6,000 bars. So we got a lot of data there. What we have now was about, maybe that was about 20 minutes later or so. I'll go ahead and pull that up. That was just roughly 24 bars. So about 40 minutes later or so is when we got the strong buy signal. Right here on every one of these dips, loading up. We were putting in our chat room, adding, loading. We started to get this move. As soon as we started to see this, started to come to fruition, we set up our indicator. You can see here, it starts to trail with you. When our indicator comes in and starts to trail, as soon as that starts to trail, we start taking profit up here towards 435. Was the first take profit right up in here. Doesn't look like much on this chart, but that is, pull that up for you guys. That is just about 6 points. So it's a lot on an ES, at $50 per contract. We were loading up on this thing. So next take profit for us was up here towards 43.80, just about 10 points. So double that. We get the nice retrace, get the nice pop up. Notice indicator never broke. Right, nice easy trail. Indicator keeps pushing. Where we come up here, right here to that 439.76 on the SPY, which was right in this zone here. We'll go ahead and pull that up on the SPY for you. Oh, wrong one. There we go. Here is the SPY, right here on this push. Where was that to? 439.76. Go back to the EMini chart. go ahead and take the final piece of profit as we're coming up into this push here for a nice, great 30-point move, about 0.5% on an index for the day. Great trade there. Notice what we have here. Here again with the full reset. It was time for a break, so we missed this good short opportunity here. But notice what we're talking about, these cycle resets. We were green, went back red. Where did we get? Nice downturn. Doesn't get much easier than that, fellas. Guys, gals out there looking to trade, doesn't get much easier than that. So, what are you waiting for? Come join us. We have a lot going on. Even today, as far as today, we ended up catching some swings. We're in Tesla, we bought in today. We are in SPY calls, looking for a longer dated calls. We are looking for this to be a temporary low. This 435.71. See if it can hold today, and what kind of gap up if we get a gap up tomorrow. We'll be looking for something in the range of 1 to 2 weeks, either sideways action to upward action. If that does not come to fruition, fine. Either way, we are not bulls, we are not bears. We make money on both sides of the trade. If you do not know how to do that, if you need a plan laid out for you each and every day, or you want to come in and test out some of our indicators, don't be shy. Come on in, join us. We will currently be running a special here for a 7-day trial. We'll start putting that links on our Twitter and YouTube. So, if you have any questions, leave a like, comment, go ahead, and we will go and get to those questions as soon as possible. Otherwise, come on in, join the community, and see you in tomorrow's video.